right, we've got a tub here, my kiddo's tub, that is, yes, the drain is open and it's not really going down quickly. We've got a clog or something going on. So I'm just gonna let that kind of hang out and drain very slowly because there's a bunch of toys in it. And once everything is down, I'm gonna push the toys aside. If your tub does not drain at all, get the toys out of there and you could probably just pour this stuff. This is just declogger, drain declogger, bought at the store. I'll put a link in the description below. And you just pour this stuff in and let it sit. Now this is kind of the cheap stuff. It kind of depends on what your budget is. You can certainly go nuts and buy the high quality stuff or anywhere in between. I'll put some good options in the description below. Before we continue, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. I do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Love to have you join us. Share this video and channel with somebody that you know. And if you're interested in making good money, yes, real cash, turning your hobbies into money, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just like I did. Yes, you're looking at real numbers. It's really helped our family. I have developed a free course and a master course if you're interested in learning how to create your own YouTube channel like I did. All right, back to business here. So we've got the tub filled up after that has been sitting. I basically let that stuff sit for like 12 hours just to like let it do its thing, and then flushed it and then filled it back up. This is night 2 with bath, and you can see it is draining a lot faster. So problem solved, and hopefully that has helped you out. Thanks.